going on, everyone? Dr. Real Estate coming at you at our newest listing, 110 Livingston Street. Vanya, what do we have?
That's right, Peter. Here we have an incredible 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, Cape Cod style home in the beautiful ALBION section here in Clifton, New Jersey. So let's go inside and check it out. One of the best features of this beautiful home is its partially finished basement with this office space and a full bathroom. Thank you guys for taking this video tour. Below is my contact information. Contact me to schedule any private showings. I hope to hear from you all.